guys, welcome back to the channel. I got something really cool to show you. It came directly from Australia, from one of my YouTube and social media followers. He is from Australia. I believe he works for Holden, or has some connection to Holden. And when he saw my brochure video for the Chevy SS, he asked, hey, would you like some Holden brochures? I said, sure, why not? Here are the brochures.
Without acting alone, happily long slow, happily long slow, without have no soul.
Now, what's cool about these brochures is that, they're kind of a keepsake, kind of a memento of these cars. It's kind of the last of the breed, if you will. Rear-wheel drive, LS3 motor, the availability of a 6-speed manual transmission, 4-door sedan. I mean, that's not a combination you see often anymore. So it is pretty special, pretty special. These brochures are unique to me, and probably unique to a lot of folks here in the United States. If you're an SS owner, you know what I mean. You probably would appreciate what I'm talking about. Also, not only did he send me some brochures, he sent me something else. know some of you are not fans of the SS door badges that go on the passenger doors. Some of you like it, some of you love it. You either love it or hate it. I love it. I think it really adds to the whole Holden Commodore look in the US. I mean, that's what they have on their VF2 Commodores. In Australia, I saw the SS badges on one of the on a perfect blue color SS. The color is called perfect blue, and it looked awesome on that SS. I saw it rolling in. You probably saw it in the Commodores and Coffee video. It looked really good. I liked it. It adds a little bit of extra holdiness to it, if you will. I liked it a lot. So I was gonna buy my own through online, but when I was communicating with this gentleman in Australia, he said, "Oh, I can get you some of those." I said, "What?" Okay, I'll take it. It's awesome. He sent them to me. I thank you so much for the brochures. Thank you so much for the badges. I really, really appreciate that. I don't know what else to say, man. It's pretty special. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you at the next video. Take care.